first in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error message your device is missing important security and quality fixes. In this video I'm going to show you a few easy fixes to that problem, and hopefully after watching this video you won't have that problem anymore. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This is a very important step because the Windows Update troubleshooter is a troubleshooter that comes by default in Windows 10 and can easily help you fix issues with the Windows Update. So we're gonna open the search box and type here troubleshoot, and we're gonna click on troubleshoot settings, and of course then we're gonna scroll down a bit here and we're gonna have to locate Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. This default troubleshooter will run on your Windows operating system. We'll try to find the problem and fix it, of course. But if this doesn't fix the problem, I'm gonna show you a few other solutions to the problem. If this didn't fix the problem, another thing you should try is to run the Windows Update by doing a clean boot. So what a clean boot means, that means Windows will run only with the Windows services and without any other third-party apps. To do that, you're gonna have to click on the search box and type in here msconfig and then click on system configuration app. Here you're gonna have to go to services and then check hide all Microsoft services, so you won't have here any Microsoft services, and then make sure that you select everything from this list and click on disable all. Then click on OK, and after that you're gonna have to right click on the taskbar and click on task manager to go to startup, and here from startup you're gonna have to select every app from here and then click on disable, so these apps won't run at the next Windows startup. After you do that, just restart your PC, and after the restart try to run the Windows Update and it should work. A third solution to the problem would be to reset the Windows Update components in Windows. So for that, some volunteer moderator from the Microsoft Answers from the official Microsoft website gave us a script that does that for you, and I'm gonna leave you this link down below. And from that link you're gonna have to scroll down a bit and download the Windows Update reset script for computers running Windows 10, because we're having this problem on Windows 10. We're just gonna go and download that script. Make sure to save it somewhere you can find it. I'm gonna save it on my desktop, and after you download it you're gonna see here a WU reset Windows 10. Right click on it and extract all. You don't need any third-party apps to extract it. You can use the official Windows 10 extract tool, and you're gonna have this folder. Double click on this and you're gonna have a bat file here. Right click on it and run as administrator and click on yes, and the script will run. CMD will open. Just press any key to start the script, and the script will automatically reset the Windows Update components in Windows. If you have any issues or questions, I'm gonna leave you the link down below and all the links that could help you down below in the description, and there you can find more information about the script, about the person who made it. So make sure to check the links down below in the description. And also down below in the description I'm gonna leave you a link from the official Microsoft website that will help you fix Windows Update errors and will ask you some questions to see what kind of error you have, and Microsoft itself will try to help you, will give you some solutions. But these solutions that I've showed you in this video should help you and worked for a lot of users, hopefully for you too. So if the video was helpful and it helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads from this channel. Until next time, have a nice day.